Okay, hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see about how to install VirtualBox to run a virtual machine in your desktop or laptop. Okay, first we have to download VirtualBox. VirtualBox is a product from Oracle. Okay, so type VirtualBox download and click the first link. And select Windows host, which is your host, Windows or a Mac or a Linux. Okay, I have already downloaded that, so I cancel it. So this is a setup file. Double click that, run, next, next, next. Yes, install now. Install. Okay, finished up. Okay, VirtualBox is installed. Okay, new. It will ask a new to create a new virtual machine. Okay, how to we will see the next video in how to create a virtual machine in VirtualBox. Okay, thanks for watching. If you like this video, press the like button and please share with your friends. Thank you.